Puppy-proofing your home is important. So to help out, we have a couple of tips to start your life together on the right paw. Number 1, secure the space. So it's a good idea to keep doors and gates shut at all times. Keep household chemicals out of reach, so anything that could harm them needs to be removed or stored away safely. And finally, try and hide anything they can get their teeth into or grab, as they're always looking for an invitation to have some fun. A happy puppy is a happy life.